final speech with these prophetic words.
We've got some difficult days ahead, but it really doesn't matter with me now, because I've been to the mountaintop. I don't mind. Like anybody, I would like to live a long life. Longevity has its place, but I'm not concerned about that now. I just want to do God's will.
The next day, he was assassinated there in Memphis on the balcony of the Lorraine Motel, an event that, of course, continues to reverberate in this country and in our history. I wonder, Deb, what happened to those sanitation workers, to the cause that brought him to Memphis in the first place?
Well, eventually the strike was settled, and the city agreed to pay the workers better and to improve their working conditions and to recognize their union. But to note, a lot of them never got a pension. So just last year, the city of Memphis approved payments of $70,000 each to the sanitation workers who were on the job back in 1968.
NPR's Debbie Elliott. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Chile's Oscar nominee for Best Foreign Language Film is a drama called A Fantastic Woman. It's the story of a transgender singer. And unlike the trans leading characters in the movie The Danish Girl or TV's Transparent, the main character in A Fantastic Woman is played by a transgender actress. And critic Bob Mondello says that makes a difference.
A rooftop supper club in Santiago, Orlando, a 50-something businessman is gazing at his lover, a much younger vocalist named Marina, who's singing about throwing a boyfriend out with the garbage because his love is like yesterday's newspaper. Marina sings that line right to Orlando with the